Dry air can cause a lot of issues, especially when you're sleeping. But that's where humidifiers come in handy like this one. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Honeywell Cool Mist humidifier. This humidifier from Honeywell is a compact, easy-to-use model that's great for adding moisture back into dry air, especially during colder months. Honeywell is one of the most trusted names when it comes to home comfort products, and this model claims to deliver consistent cool mist moisture with quiet operation and minimal maintenance. And don't forget to check the YouTube description down below for any deals and discounts to this humidifier. All right, let's get started. Let's kick things off with an overview of this humidifier. This is a filter-free humidifier designed for medium-sized rooms like bedrooms, offices, or living spaces up to about 400 feet. It has a 1-gallon tank that can run for up to 36 hours on the lowest mist setting, and it releases a visible cool mist that helps relieve dry air symptoms. You can easily control mist output using the adjustable knob, and it features a directional mist outlet on top so you can point the mist wherever you want. The tank is also made of break-resistant plastic and sits on a base that houses the ultrasonic transductor, which creates the cool mist using high-frequency vibrations. So overall, it's super compact, lightweight, and it's pretty easy to use. So this is great if you don't want anything with a ton of bells and whistles. Now let's discuss some key features that make this humidifier stand out. First, it's filter-free, which means you don't have to worry about replacing filters every month. You'll just want to clean it often to prevent mineral buildup, especially if you're using tap water. Next, the ultrasonic operations means it's virtually silent, making it ideal for bedrooms or nurseries. However, during testing, I did notice a little bit of water dropping sound at the highest level, like this right here. Overall, it's pretty quiet. I slept pretty good throughout the night. It also includes a wide tank opening, which makes it super easy to fill in your sink and clean out by hand. Honeywell designed it so you can reach inside with a cloth or sponge, unlike some humidifiers that have narrow necks. And it also has an essential oil tray for extra comfort. Finally, there's an auto shut-off feature that kicks in when the water tank runs dry, so you don't have to worry about it overheating or running all night without water. Let's go over how to use it because the setup really couldn't be easier. To start, remove the water tank from the base. Flip it upside down and unscrew the lockable cap. Fill it with cool water. Distilled water is the best to avoid white dust from minerals and tap water. Then tighten the cap back on to lock it. Place the tank back on the base, plug it in, and use the control knob to choose your mist output level. The higher the setting, the more mist you'll get, but it'll also use up water faster. I also felt like the medium setting was a happy medium, no pun intended, but it really left my room feeling humid without feeling overly damp. You'll also notice a soft glow from the indicator light when the unit's on. It's not overly bright, but if you're sensitive to light at night, you might want to place a little farther from your bed or put tape over it. When it's time to clean, just empty any remaining water, rinse the tank, and wipe the base with a soft cloth. Honeywell recommends descaling it with white vinegar once a week if you use it daily. Now let's go over pricing and Honeywell's policies. You can get this humidifier for around $80 on Amazon and comes with a 2-year warranty. Let's go over a quick pros and cons rundown, starting with the pros. First, it's filter-free, which saves money and the hassle in the long run. Second, it has a wide tank opening and simple design, making filling and cleaning easy. Finally, it does a great job at maintaining humidity overnight, especially in small to medium rooms. I noticed less dryness in my throat and skin after running it throughout the night. But, of course, no product is perfect, so let's go over the cons. The humidifier makes a faint bubbling sound, so if you're super sensitive to sounds, you should keep this in mind. Next, since it's filter-free, mineral buildup can occur if you use tap water often. You might see a fine white dust on surfaces nearby, which is a common issue with ultrasonic humidifiers. And finally, while the design is lightweight, it's made of thin plastic, so you'll want to handle it carefully to avoid cracks or leaks over time. All right, that's my full review on the Honeywell humidifier. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye!